Yeah.
Respected teachers and all my dear friends, good afternoon to everyone. Today I want to tell you about the change in the Earth's climate in the last 4.5 billion years. Climate has changed throughout the Earth's history, but through many geological studies, the Earth's climate can be divided into two categories.
Here, you show here and change.
The greenhouse climates and the icehouse climates. In the greenhouse climates, the temperatures are very high and there is little or no ice at the poles. Whereas during the icehouse climates, the climate is cool enough to support ice at both the poles and the temperatures are relatively cooler. The Earth has transitioned between these two conditions a couple of times in the past 540 million years. The last time was around 34 million years ago. Now, to give you a better understanding of the climate change, I want to tell you about the different eras in the Earth's timeline. The first one is known as the Precambrian era. The Precambrian era accounts for around 80% of the Earth's existence. In the Precambrian, the climate changed widely from volcanoes to ice ages. The Earth was covered with shallow seas, and during the warm conditions, the sea was filled with mounds of algae, the first forms of life known as stromatolites. In the later Precambrian, the climate varied between very cool and very warm periods. During the cool periods, the glaciers even extended to the equator sometimes. The second era is the Paleozoic era. The Paleozoic was comparatively cooler compared to the Precambrian. During this time, the shallow seas formed large oceans and marine life started evolving. Many kinds of plants and animals evolved for the first time in the Paleozoic around 350 million years ago. Now, the third and the most dramatic era, the Mesozoic era. Global temperatures were far higher compared to today, and this era is also famously known as the age of dinosaurs. Carbon dioxide content in the air was higher, leading to a highly greenhouse planet and no ice at both the poles. This was the time when all the continents were combined as a single supercontinent known as Pangaea. Now the fourth one and the present era is known as the Cenozoic era. This era is also known as the age of mammals. And during this time climate has shifted drastically. The main reason being humans. In the early Cenozoic, the greenhouse conditions prevailed, but around 34 million years ago, the Earth cooled down and ice started forming at both the poles, resulting in the icehouse conditions. And as a result, tropical forests all over the world started becoming temperate grasslands. So now we live in an icehouse Earth. That means the temperatures are quite cold compared to other periods in the Earth's history. But this doesn't mean that modern climatic change can be ignored. Modern climatic change is resulting in the formation of a highly greenhouse Earth with higher temperatures. If we observe, human species only came after 34 million years, that is, we live only in the icehouse conditions of the Earth. We cannot adapt to the higher temperatures and sea level of the greenhouse conditions. The only way we can stop our extinction is stopping the climate from shifting into a greenhouse again. This can only be done if we change the way we live. So the initiative for a better Earth needs to be taken by each and every human being. So I want to conclude by requesting each and everyone to contribute something, some way or the other, to make this Earth a cool place. Thank you.